When I'm in nature and I feel connected to nature, the life that's animating that plant is the same force that's animating me. It's hard to break the chains of your mental habits, your physical habits. When you do that, it's just a great sense of freedom. If we can get more energy flowing better through your body, not wasting energy with these restricted motions that you've developed over the years, these are little levers that can produce big changes. The context of this place allows you to open, and it's an invitation. If you get out and walk along these paths, you see that ocean in the morning. These views are a sedative for the mind. This is Dr. Leonard McGill, and this is Serenity at the Datai Langkawi.
Hi, welcome back to Serenity, the Datai Wellbeing Series at the Datai Langkawi. The year kicked off with Dr. Leonard McGill from the United States. Through his unique techniques of structural energetic integration therapy, he addresses the root cause of pain in the body. His practices include myofascial relief, chakra balancing, dry needling, and spinal realignment. We invite you to experience this journey of healing at the Datai Langkawi.